Hey there iPhone users, in this video I'll show you how to stop incoming calls on your iPhone. It's a handy feature when you need some uninterrupted time. So let's get started. First you'll need to click on the Settings app. Go ahead and locate the settings icon on the home page of your iPhone and tap on it. Next scroll down until you find the Focus option and then let's tap on that. Within the Focus section you'll see Do Not Disturb. Let's tap onto that. Now let's manage the specific settings. Tap on People in the Allowed Notifications section. Within the People section, tap on Calls From. Make sure the option No One is selected. This ensures that no calls will come through. Additionally, turn off Allow Repeat Calls. Make sure the toggle switch is turned to the off position. That's it. Following these steps will prevent incoming calls on your iPhone. However, it's important to note that you also need to activate the Do Not Disturb for it to take effect. To do this, simply swipe down from the bottom of your iPhone screen to access the control center. Then tap on Do Not Disturb icon to turn it on or off. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.